Hey guys, it's Kirill again with another ROM review, and this time I've got a Korean based ROM. So this one is called Dokdo, Project Dokdo, which, well, I hope I am pronouncing it correctly, but yeah, let's get into the ROM. This is actually a 4.3 based ROM. So it, not a 4.3, sorry, it's KitKat based ROM, so it's 4.4.2. So yeah. The best thing about this ROM, I would say, is that it's actually quite different from a lot of the other ROMs. It seems like a homegrown ROM, so let's see that. Now you have the settings screen. Let's go to About Phone. Now, About Phone, you can see it is Dokdo ROM information. It is Android 4.4.2. It is KitKat. So yeah, build date is January, New Year's Eve. So Dokdo 4S3. Yeah, that is the information. I'm not sure I know a lot about this ROM. I don't know. This was available with 4.3 also. Previously, it was also called Dokdo, I guess. Yes, and it is kind of similar to a CyanogenMod ROM. It is CyanogenMod ROM. Now, if you are planning on flashing this ROM, if you have seen this but hasn't flashed it, when you are flashing this at the first time, just flashing the ROM isn't enough. You have to flash a custom kernel too, because the kernel with which it comes is not working properly, so you will get a boot loop. So after flashing the ROM, you have to flash a custom kernel. Right now I have flashed the Boifla Omni kernel. So yeah, I'm using that one to run this. Let's get into the extra features. First thing you'll notice is that the layout is similar to CyanogenMod, but the options inside is a lot different. So you can see screen security is similar. You have all the CyanogenMod features. Slider shortcuts, it does have 5-way slider, so you have all that functionality. Now in the widget section, there is something called this one, right? This doesn't actually work. There is this one, right? This is actually custom widget enabler. So it's kind of some number. So you have to tick this one, and actually the lock screen, this is darkened and it enables the custom widget selection. So yeah, that's there. So something which I wanted to talk about now. You can have see-through enabled. So see-through is kind of like transparent lock screen. It enables transparency so that there won't be a something, so it is see-through now. There is also an option to increase or decrease the blur value. So if you want it blurred, you can have that, or whatever gradient of blur you want to have, you can have this. So now it is at 100% blur, so you can't see anything. You can have it at any value you want, so that's pretty good. It's really an awesome feature. Now I did encounter this same feature in Resurrection Remix, but in that there wasn't a value to assign the blur value. So yeah, it does have theme functionality from the CyanogenMod lineup, so there is there. In interface setting, so this one is kind of different from the CyanogenMod lineup. You'd still have status bar and stuff, but there is a bunch of extra features, the same number you can see there. First of all, you have the same set of battery style. You have icon, circle with percentage, and hidden. So I've right now enabled icon. You can have, like, if you see it here, you can see the seconds also. You can enable that or disable that. So it is an option there. So it does have a headset detector. If you plug in a headset, it will show you guys a icon here which shows that the headphone is plugged in. It does have a network speed indicator. I guess it's not working, I'm not sure. So you can enable center clock or the normal way, whatever you want. Quick setting panel is similar to CyanogenMod, so there's nothing much on there. You have flip tiles, so that's pretty cool. You can see the tile does a flip. Oh, there it is. So it does work. So yeah, tiles and layout is similar to CyanogenMod. You have camera, a lot of options there. All of these are available. Great. Rest of them are similar to CyanogenMod. I'm not going to get too much into that. It does have this one with the OmniROM's contextual notification. So it checks the time and gives the notification header a unique wallpaper. So that's pretty cool. It does have quick setting ribbon. List view animations is available here. So that's really a nice feature to have. If you have seen any of my previous video, you will know this is my favorite one. So yeah, it is there. Halo is available. It is Halo 2.0 with a ninja mode, and you can select the size of the halo. So it is kind of available in a lot of ROMs, but it is also available in this one, not the official CyanogenMod mod. So pretty cool. DPI setting, you can assign a DPI setting so that you can customize this. So 320 is the stock one, and that is the current DPI setting. You can have 160, 240. Don't go for 160, it will be too small on the screen. 240, 280, whatever you want, you can select this and click OK to reboot the phone, and you can have that. Extended desktop is just that the status bar and the navigation bar will be off. I don't think there is a navigation bar option here, but yeah, you can have that with Exposed Framework. So it does have privacy guard if you want privacy guard, or select what all the app's privacy settings are, you can have that. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, I guess that is it. Let me show you guys the Antutu benchmark score, which was pretty good. It gave me 19197, but you have to keep in mind that I am using Boyfla kernel, which is more of a performance kernel. So yeah, that does factor in a bit. So yeah, let me show you guys the boot animation. So here is the boot animation with a Project Dokdo with the Korean flag. That is the Korean flag, I guess. It's not showing up correctly, but yeah, that is Korean flag. So yeah, so it's more customizable than the CyanogenMod lineup, but not to a point that it's a guru compilation ROM. No, so it works pretty good. It has a good performance index, so yeah, that should work out pretty good. Hope you guys like the video. Please share, subscribe, and like the video if you found it useful. See you guys next time. Bye.